Hello students, welcome in your English online class. Let us continue to do worksheet number 24, notice writing, and the related topic is found. We have to go through the notices related to found. We are going to continue at page number 54. So here we are with notice number 5. Anuj Madan, a student of class 8th at Aryan Public School, has found an album of stamp collection lying unclaimed near the school canteen. He decides to put up a notice on the student's notice board of his school. Write the notice in about 50 words and put it in a box. Okay, so first of all class, we have to mention the name of the institution and the word notice, date and then heading. So let's write it first. So we have mentioned the heading, name of the school. As the name of the city is not mentioned, so you can go by your own. The word notice, then you will give the date and the heading, album of stamp collection found. Now we will go with the content, what we have to write in the content. Now you will go, an album, what is found? An album of stamp collection is found और वो कैसी थी? That was lying unclaimed, जिसका कोई भी क्लेमर नहीं था, वो किसी की भी नहीं थी. Is found, you will write up lying unclaimed. You can also add up these words, lying unclaimed, because in the notices of found you need not to give any identification related to the object. Unclaimed, कहाँ पर मिली है आपको वो? Near the school canteen. Near the school canteen. Now let's do little bit change in the notice, that if you have found that album, then sometimes what do? You don't keep that thing with you. You submit that thing to the reception or maybe to your any teacher. So here we will do that thing. Is it okay? Now what do we do? It has been submitted. ये हमने सबमिट कर दी है. Where? It has been submitted. कहाँ पर की है? It has been submitted to the sports teacher. It has been submitted to the, आपने स्पोर्ट्स टीचर को सबमिट कर दी है, to the sports teacher. Now you will also mention the name of the sports teacher, because sometimes there are many sports teacher. Mr. Arun Sharma. The one who has lost it, या the owner, the one who has lost it, comma, can claim it from his office. स्पोर्ट्स टीचर के ऑफिस में आप जाके क्लेम कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस, ड्यूरिंग recess period, during recess period, full stop. Now you will sign up Anuj Madan. Now you will give the full name Anuj Madan, and the person is the student of class 8th B. Is it okay, students? Because here the class is mentioned and the section is not mentioned, so you can go by your own. I hope, class, that this easy notice is quite clear to you. Go through it once again to have clear conception also. Now the next notice, let's go through it, understand the heading first. You are Saumil Sharma, the head boy of Pinewood International School, Nainital. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a tiffin box found in the school canteen. Write the notice in not more than 50 words and put it in a box. Let's go through it again. First of all, we will do the write up the heading in the same manner. Like this, students, we will write up the heading. Pinewood International School, Nainital. Notice word will be written, then date will be mentioned, and what is found? Tiffin box found. Let's go through the content. Now, a tiffin box is found lying unclaimed कहाँ पर मिला है? इन द स्कूल canteen. School canteen. The owner, or you can also write the one who has lost it. The one who has lost it can claim it from the school reception. Generally, what do? We deposit the found things at the reception. Then you will sign up. The name of the person is Saumil Sharma. So here we will put up the signature of Saumil Sharma. Then we will write up the full-fledged name. Saumil Sharma. Then what do? And the person is the head boy. So you will mention here that he is the head boy of the school. Is it okay? Again, this is such an easy but interesting notice. I hope now it is quite clear to you. Class, go through the notices once again. First understand the heading, then try to sort it out by your own. Thank you for watching the video, class. Good.